So good morning from Russell Pond Campground, North Woodstock, New Hampshire. Wolf here. Well, we're pretty well all packed up, ready to head home now. Sad day, but oh well. We had a little thunderstorm come through here last night, left about 3/10 of an inch of rain. So all my stuff that I left outside was pretty soggy. But we got everything packed up. You can see everything's cleaned up here. He's back in the trailer again. Everything's ready to go. Site's all cleaned up just like as if I was never here. In fact, probably better than when I was before I got here, because I cleaned up some other people's trash that they couldn't be bothered to clean up. So we got the site all cleaned up now. So you get a trash bag to dump out. I'm going to walk down, take one more look at the pond before I take off, and hit the facilities one more time and hit the road. We should be home by 1 o'clock. Well, we're heading out. That's it. Everything's packed up. Pulling the trailer out now. Got a ways to go. That was a fun trip. A little noisier than I'd like it to be. But it's kind of a fairly good-sized campground. They got over 80 campsites here. Okay, we have 124 miles to go. So it's not a big long drive. My truck tells me I've got 211 miles to go before I'm empty, so I should be able to get there without stopping for gas. This was my next to last big adventure with the Wolfeneer. One more big adventure coming up. About 2 weeks we're heading off to Smuggler's Notch, Vermont. I've always wanted to see that area. I'll bring the scooter along. I've got 4 nights up there this time. I've got my trailer at the scooter. I've got Mount Mansfield there. I've got the Notch itself. A lot of places I've never explored before. Should be a lot of fun. That'll be the last big adventure. And then the next big adventure will probably be in my van, if all goes as planned. And the Mountaineer, the Wolfeneer here, is going to start changing its life over to doing more tenting adventures and cabin adventures and things like that. Much smaller trips, no more trailers. It'll be back here again. Come up and grab one of those tent sites. Probably B3 some point next year. But, well, should be interesting to see how things play out. So I get home, and I understand it's going to be like 97 degrees as a high today, so that's not going to be much fun. I'm not a big fan of the heat, so I'm not looking forward to that. But get the air conditioner in the Wolfeneer blasting, because that still works beautifully. The other thing I'm going to start doing next year, I'm going to start doing some more of these trips where I don't make reservations for them. It's actually kind of fun trying to come in and find a site. So I think I'm going to start doing more of that stuff too. The other thing I want to get, a trail bike. I can explore a lot more of those trails out there, as far as trails, if I had a trail bike. Maybe even a power assist one, I don't know, but I'm going to have to look into the possibility of getting a good trail bike. Something I can do both on and off-road well. So thanks for coming along on this adventure. A lot of fun here. I did want to get back to this place and explore it after my trip last year, where I spent just 1 night here on part of my big adventure. So I got some good exploration. There's a lot more to explore yet here though, so definitely going to want to come back. But thanks for joining me, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're liking the stuff. Give me a like. I'd love to hear your comments, see what you think of my adventures, so post some comments down below. And otherwise, thanks for watching. And don't forget, slow down and enjoy life. We'll talk to you guys later. Okay, we have 120.
1/4 mile, turn left.